Hi everyone, good morning. So my name is Smitha Prakash. So I'm currently working as a business analyst at Connected Clinic, which is a subsidiary part of Alchem Laboratories. I use Excel tool to draw the insights from the platform, like what's the maximum usage and minimum usage, and how long been a person using this platform, and for what exact reason he or she is using this platform. The platform is called as Connected Clinic, which is a subsidiary part of Alchem Laboratories located in Mumbai. So that's a huge pharma company. So this platform was launched during COVID time to provide virtual information and virtual consulting for the patients who were not able to reach the physical clinic and everything. So that's about the platform that is being going on. So this is similar to a lot of applications are similar to this one. So what we provide in with this is a webinar information, patient education, and doctor education. So patient education includes do's and don'ts and facts about any new related, because as you know, since COVID is out first, there are many variants in and around the world. So it's not like you're putting a person and threatening a person, but you're giving the right information. So yes, my day-to-day activities include the platform usage in the market and where we stand in the current competitive state. Yeah, that's all about my current role and about the platform. The challenges was a bit tough as well as interesting at the same time because there was a lot of interviews I attended, asked a lot about ML related automation and everything, since I have not reached to that level, as well as coding, because coding was not my cup of tea during that time, and that was quite a challenge, as well as SQL database and everything. It was quite a roller coaster that time, but yes, it was interesting to learn also from this different perspective, because you get to know the data perspective when you attend a lot of interviews and everything. You'll understand like how one is different with another. At the same time, that is important to know all the basic things. Yes, it has helped me in a lot of different ways. For me, like as I come from the healthcare background, I knew nothing about the data importance, though I have studied the medical database and everything. So now when I get a data set, I see in a different perspective, not just as a number in terms of insights as well, because every data has a story to tell, and when it comes to the market, the competitive world, so the number plays an important role in that. So where you stand and how the competition is there. So yes, that was the biggest challenge for me to understand in data world, as well as to understand in a different perspective also. My interview experience at current company was how do you say, like it was something a different experience because I had never worked with Excel. So whenever I used to get a data, I used to put it in my Jupyter notebook or in Tableau format. So this was quite interesting, because cleaning data in Excel was very important for me to understand the initial step for data cleaning and data mining as well. So that that gave me a chance to understand and Yes, I feel that's an important and baby step for every data scientist beginner step. The first interview process was like thanks to them that they made it very smooth and comfortable for me to go through every round. So initially they were looking for a business analyst who could understand and implement the regression and classification in Excel itself, though we have learned regression, classification and the other algorithms through Python programs. So yes, they asked, they were looking for the candidate who could do that in Excel itself. Like if you know the basics of that particular subject, so you can implement in any tool. So because the logic is same, but the approach is different. That's what they were looking for. Yes, I could able to answer that through my understanding and everything. And next was the implementation. How do you do, and what is the approach you take to solve a challenge? It's not like there are different ways. There are 1,000 ways. So, which is the easiest and quickest way, or is there any other way that nobody has taken that step to solve it in a quicker time? I've been researching a lot about the institute during lockdown time. So yes, I have asked a couple of my friends who has done data science and everything. Though there is many institute that has been providing this course. So yes, I had attended instead a few free webinars for more than thrice, I guess, just for my understanding, like where I stand, and am I really capable to do this or crack this one. I didn't take this one just for the sake of, yes, it's a new technology, let me try it, but I wanted to give myself a chance, like, okay, this sounds interesting, and how this will help me in my healthcare domain, because I want to do something related to healthcare, not just with software tools. Basics are very important before you jump into this one, though it's data science is very vast, and that's a future, like everyone are aware of it. So just don't ignore the basics, because I had done that, so, and it was a bit challenging for me to crack any interview. Yes, you know the upper ladder, but how do you what's the path, how do you reach that one, that you that everyone has to know before joining data science? That would be my advice, though I'm really not a person to provide it, because I'm still a beginner.